Hi, my name is Ron. I want to show you some of the features that are available to customize a table when viewing the 2020 Public Law 94-171 redistricting data on data.census.gov. Customization is a great option to utilize within our site. There are a number of functions that our users may find helpful when viewing this new redistricting data. So let's try an example search and take a look at some of the features. To find the PL 94-171 redistricting data, go to data.census.gov and click on the Advanced Search button located directly underneath the single search bar. And then select the Surveys filter and click on Decennial Census. Then click on the checkbox next to the redistricting data, PL 94-171. Since we only want the newer data from 2020, we'll also want to go to the Years filter and select 2020. If you want to select geography to view, you can do it in the advanced search as well. For this example, let's filter data for Harrison County, Mississippi. So click on the Geography filter and then select County. Scroll down the list of states and select Mississippi. And then another filter panel will load with all the counties in Mississippi. Scroll down the list until you see Harrison County and click the checkbox to add it to your search. Once you've selected the survey, year, and geography you want to view, click on the Search button in the bottom right-hand corner and select a table to view. There are 6 tables to choose from, but for this example, I'm going to choose our new table for 2020 redistricting, which is Group Quarters Population by Major Group Quarters Type. This table gives us the count of people living in group quarters such as nursing homes, military barracks, correctional facilities, and student housing on colleges and universities. Let's focus our attention on the ribbon located above the data table. This is where you can access a lot of different functionalities by clicking on the buttons to add additional filters to the table. You can select any of the filters that would be present on the advanced search page, such as the geography filter, and the table will automatically update to reflect the applied filters. For example, if we want to add another county from Mississippi in this view, we would click on the Geos button on the table ribbon to add a geography the same way we would in the advanced search. I will select another Mississippi county, like Franklin County, and then click the Close button, and you will see the table has now automatically updated to show the data for both Harrison and Franklin counties. You can also view table notes, which are shown here, and can be hidden by clicking on the Notes button again. You can also download or export the table to Excel, or print, or use the Map button to view a map of this table. I also want to mention the More Data button located in the table ribbon, which will allow you to access and download the redistricting data in the legacy format on our File Transfer Protocol or FTP site. I hope this tutorial provided insight on how to use the table customization features for the 2020 PL 94-171 redistricting data through data.census.gov. For more guidance on using our site, please visit our resources page at the link below. Thank you.